It's very easy to add a new asset to AssetWhere Facilities Management. So let's have a look. Come into Facilities Management, selecting Asset Management, New Asset. And it's going to be a printer. I'm going to add it to the Adams building, and I'm going to select the office that it's going into, the accounts receivable. Then I can do a quick search. It's under IT services, and then that fills in the category and the subcategory. So then I can start filling in the details. It's an HP, it's a LaserJet Pro. I can add serial numbers, barcodes, and so on. Add the date it's installed, how much it cost the school to purchase it, when the warranty is due to expire. I can also add in the expected replacement cost and add in the expected replacement dates and so on. And then click Create. And there is my asset. And it comes with a QR code, which I can then print out, attach to the back of the printer, then put in the accounts receivable office. And then when I look at all of the assets in the Adams building, when I scroll down, here is the printer that I've just added. It's that simple and easy to do that from the comfort of your own desk.